The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. So let us visualize this problem first. Suppose a flight is flying above the ground at the height of 1500 root 3 meters. So let us assume the initial position of the flight when the observer is observing as C, and the height of the plane from the ground is 1500 root 3 meters is given. So here the height BC equals to 1500 root 3 meters. Now on the ground from point A, the observer is observing the jet plane with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So let us consider point A on the ground. From that point, observer is observing the jet plane with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Now after this, the jet plane travels 15 seconds forward. So after traveling the 15 seconds, the observer from point A observed the jet plane again with an angle of elevation. The observer observed again with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. If you observe here, we have two right triangles. One is triangle ABC and another one is triangle ADE. Using these two right triangles, we need to find the distance traveled by the flight first. If we find the distance traveled by the jet plane in 15 seconds, then we can find the speed of the jet plane. Let us see how. So let us first draw the rough diagram of the given information. A jet plane is flying at a height of 1500 root 3 meters above the ground. So let us assume the first position of the jet plane as C, and the height of the jet plane from the ground is BC equals to 1500 root 3 meters. On the ground from point A, the observer is observing the jet plane with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Later, the flight moves forward in the time of 15 seconds. So let us assume the second position of the jet plane as E, and still it is flying at the same height above the ground, that is 1500 root 3 meters. Now the observer from point A is observing the jet plane with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Now let us write the given information first. The height of the jet plane from the ground, that is BC equals to DE equals to 1500 root 3 meters. And at the initial position, the angle of elevation of the plane from point A, that is angle CAB equals to 60 degrees. And at the next position, that at E, the angle of elevation of the plane from point A is angle EAD equals to 30 degrees. Now let us assume the distances between the points A and B and D as x and y meters. Now here we got two right triangles, that is one triangle is ABC triangle and another right triangle is triangle ADE. Using these two right triangles, we need to calculate the distance traveled by the jet plane in 15 seconds, that is BD or CE. Now let us take the right triangle ABC. In this triangle, if we observe, the given angle is 60 degrees at point A. For the given angle 60 degrees, we have the opposite side, that is BC, which is 1500 root 3 meters. And we need to find the value, that is AB equals to x meters, which is the adjacent side to the given angle 60 degrees. So here we need to use the ratio between opposite side to adjacent side. So that's why we can choose the tan ratio. Let us choose tan ratio. Tan 60 degrees, that is BC by AB. Now substituting the values, we get tan 60 equals to 15 root 3 by x, and we know tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 equals to 1500 root 3 by x, and simplifying this, we get x value as 1500 meters. So let us assume this one as equation 1. Now we go for the second right triangle, that is triangle ADE. So let us take the right triangle ADE. In this right triangle ADE, we have the angle 30 degrees. For the given angle 30 degrees, we have the opposite side, that is DE, which is equals to 1500 root 3 meters, and the required side, that is AD, which is x plus y, is the adjacent side to the given angle 30 degrees. So here again we need to use the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. So we can choose the tan ratio. Let us take tan ratio. So tan 30 degrees equals to ED by AD. And if we substitute the corresponding values, we get 1 by root 3 equals to 1500 root 3 by x plus y. On simplifying this, we get x plus y equals to 4500 meters. And from equation 1, we know that x value is that is 1500 meters. Now substitute the x value in this, x plus y equals to 4500. So we get y value as 3000 meters. So y is nothing but, that is the distance traveled by the jet plane in 15 seconds. So the distance traveled by the flight in 15 seconds, that is 3000 meters. Now we need to calculate the speed of the jet plane, and we know the formula, that is distance by time. So if we substitute the values, we get the speed of the jet plane, that is 200 meters per second.